Welcome to the SureSync initial setup training video. In this video, we will walk through the installation of SureSync and the configuration of the SureSync database. To start, we will launch the SureSync 8 setup file. If UAC is enabled on this system, answer yes to the elevation prompt. On the first wizard panel, click Next. Check the box to accept the user license agreement and click Next to continue. The Which features of SureSync 8 do you want to install panel provides you with two options, SureSync and the Communications Agent. The SureSync option installs the full application, including the SureSync desktop user interface, which is used to configure your jobs, schedules, and real-time monitors. In most environments, a single machine will have a full SureSync installation. The Communications Agent option installs only the components necessary to run the Communications Agent service. This option is used on the other machines you will synchronize data between when using the SureSync Pro, Collaboration, and Ultimate bundles. For this demo, we will select the SureSync option and click Next to continue. The Choose Installation folder panel defines the installation directory. We will accept the default and click Next to continue. The next panel defines the folder name used for shortcuts in the Start menu. We will again use the default setting and click Next to continue. The Windows Firewall Configuration panel determines if the installer should automatically configure the Windows Firewall for you. This configuration allows the Communications Agent service access through the Windows Firewall. This is necessary to access other agent machines, so we will leave this option checked and click Next to continue. Clicking Next one more time will start the installation process. SureSync is now successfully installed. Click Finish to exit the installer. To begin configuring SureSync, we will launch the SureSync desktop. This is done using search in newer operating systems such as Windows 2012, searching for SureSync and clicking on the SureSync 8 desktop shortcut. In older operating systems, the shortcut can be found in your Start menu under All Programs, SureSync 8, and clicking on the SureSync 8 desktop shortcut. The first dialog box indicates that a database has not yet been defined. Click OK to continue. The next panel asks if you would like to create a new database. Click Yes. The Create a New SureSync Database panel allows us to create and configure a database. SureSync supports both Access and SQL databases. For larger server environments, a SQL database is recommended. For this demo, we will use an Access database in the default file location. After making the selection, click the Continue button to create the database. Now that the database has been created, you will receive a prompt informing you that no communications agents have been configured. Click OK to continue. In the Create Computer Configuration wizard that loads, we will define details about the communications agent on the SureSync machine. Even if you are not planning to use the communications agent on all machines in your environment, for example if you're planning on performing UNCPath-based synchronizations, a credential still needs to be provided for the main SureSync machine. The first panel is pre-filled with the NetBIOS computer name of the machine that you installed SureSync on. Click Next to continue. The next panel defines the credential that should be used for the communications agent. This is typically an administrator account. The login name field will be pre-filled with the account that you're logged into the machine as. You can change this if necessary. The account should be listed in domain/user or machine/user format. Enter the password twice for the account. You can then press the Test Connections to Agent button if you like. Click Finish to complete the configuration. The next dialog tells you that you have no jobs defined. Click OK to continue with the configuration. The SureSync help file in Desktop will now load. The SureSync help file is a useful resource for learning more about SureSync's functionality and options. We will close the help file now, but it can be accessed at any time by pressing the F1 key on your keyboard. By default, a workstation trial license is included with the installation. If you're running on a server, you will want to import the server trial provided by our sales staff, or you can import your own purchased server license. This is accomplished by clicking on the Licenses button in the ribbon bar, and then clicking on the Import License button. You can then browse to your license file and click Import License. Once this process is done, you are ready to begin configuring your synchronization tasks. This process is covered in another training video.